Hello everyone, welcome back. In previous video we saw the operations on numbers and we completed addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we will solve some questions on those operations. First I am taking addition. Adding 99.99 plus 9.999 plus 0.9999. Basically the students who doesn't have proper idea about the numbers, they'll basically read the numbers like, if it is like this 99.99, they'll read it as 99.99. No, after decimal you should read the digits. Just read the digits. For example, it's not 0.98, it is a 0.98. It is not 98.98, it is 98. You have to read it full number, but after a decimal point you have to read digits. Okay, let us come to the addition part. Okay, here we have to add 99.99 plus 9.999 plus 0.9999. What matters most in the addition in decimal part, you have to make a proper alignment, then only we can add properly. So 99.99, 9.999, both the decimal should come in same alignment. 0.9999, so we can add easily now. If nothing is there, mean right hand side we can add zeros. In left hand side, if nothing is there, we can add zeros, no problem. However, the value doesn't change. 0 plus 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. You know basic addition, right? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 10, 28. So 999 means 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus these two, 29. Great. You have to take a carry. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Great. 9 plus 2, 11. The answer is 110.9889. Right, answer is 110.9889. 110.9889. Pause the video and try to solve it. Okay, we'll solve now. 0.999, 0.0999, 0.00999. Basically, why I am taking these type of examples, in many competitive exams they will try to trick us like by giving these such type of questions. So if you align them properly, then the addition is nothing. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 999, 3 times 9 means 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 1, 28. 9 means 2 9s. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 9 plus 2, 11. Great. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1. So where decimal comes, there only we have to put a decimal. The answer is 1.10889. Great. We'll do next question. 123.456 78.9 plus 0.078 plus 0.0009. So try to do it on your own. Okay, 123.456 plus 78.9. Right side nothing is there means we can add any number of zeros. Then 0.078, then 0.009. The answer is 9. 6 plus 8, 14. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. Answer is 202.4349. So basically we have to make alignment. If you made proper alignment of the numbers, then addition is normal. So take these two as practice questions and let me know the answer. Now comes the subtraction part. Okay, subtraction part means 1000 means 1000 minus 999.999. Okay, see, proper alignment is very important. You have to put a unit digit below of the unit digit of another number. 10 digit, 10th digit, 100 digit, 100 place. 1000 here, 1000 place is not there. So if nothing is there, we can put a zeros, right? So for better calculation, I am using zeros. 0 minus 9 we can't do, right? Take one, carry from here, 10 minus 9, it becomes 1. Again 10 minus 10, 0. Again we can't subtract 0 minus 10, right? Again I am taking carry. 10 minus 10, again 0. Again 10 minus 10, 0. 10 minus 10, 0. 10 minus 10, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. The answer is 0.001. You can write 4 zeros also, but the value will be same. You can write at 0.001. Okay, can I know the answer for this? Pause it and solve it. Okay, check it with me. 10 minus 0.9999. Why I am writing this? Because 0 is in unit place, so it must be aligned to this number. So if nothing is there, we can take zeros. Then normal subtraction. We can't subtract, we have to take a carry. 10 minus 9, 1. 10 minus 10, 0. 10 minus 10, 0. 10 minus 10, 0. Now it became 10 minus 1, so it is 9. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is 9.0001. Great. We will solve next question. The question is 100.01 minus 99.999. So alignment is very important for the calculation part. So we can't subtract it. I will take carry. 10 minus 9, 1. Now it became 11. 11 minus 10, 1. 10 minus 10, 0. So decimal part. 10 minus 10, 0. 10 minus 10, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Answer will be 0.011. I am taking these questions because these questions will be tricky in the competitive exam. So I am solving it in proper way. So please follow the same order. Making alignment, then do the normal calculation. These two, take it as a practice questions and solve it, please. Now comes the multiplication part. 0.25 into 0.25, and in previous video I mentioned clearly, like first what we have to do it a normal calculation. 25 into 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. Put an addition symbol because we are done with one digit. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5, 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 5, 6. So answer is 625. But what matters is here how many digits are there after decimal. Here 1, 2. In this 1, 2. Total how many? 4. So we have to keep a decimal from right side of the digits. You have to leave 4 digits, then keep a decimal point. So here if I write 625, only I am having only 3 digits, but I have to keep it at 4th digit, right? So if nothing is there, we can make it as 0. Means we can write 625 or like this of the same value, right? So that's why 0.0625 is the answer. 0.0625. The number of digits should be same, 4 digits after decimal. Great. Try to solve this. Pause the video and solve it. Okay, check with me. 999 into 1, normal calculation first, it will give answer as 999 only, right? Then calculate the number of digits 1, 2, 3. So put a decimal after 3 digits from right side. So it is 0.999. The answer is simple. Then solve with this one. 125 into 8. First normal calculation. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16 plus 4. 20. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 2. 10. So it is giving as 1000, right? But check the digits after decimal, only 1, right? So from right side only 1, means answer is 100. Great. And take these two as practice questions and solve it. Let me know the answers in the comment section. Now we come to division. In division, basically initially I told some steps for doing division with decimal points. It is 12.5 divided by 0.5, right? First calculate in which side, numerator or denominator. This is called numerator, right? And below one is denominator. Okay, first check both numerator and denominator. In which side we have more digits after decimal? Both having same, right? How many? 1 1 only. So we can multiply both with 10. 12.5 into 10. The number of zeros matters. How many digits are after decimal point? 0.5 into 10. So if you do multiplication like previous one we done, you will get it as 125 divided by 0.5 into 10, we will get as 5. So now 125 divided by 5, normal division. Let me do here 125 divided by 5. For division, better to write a table. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Okay, can I divide 1? No, it is smaller than 5. Can I take 12? Yes, because 5 2s are 10. We can't take 15 because it is greater. 5 2s are 10. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. We can take only one digit at each step. So it becomes 25. 5 5s are 25. So the answer is 25. Answer will be 25. Great. Try to solve it. Pause the video. Okay. Check it with me. 0.125 divided by 0.25. In which part we have more number of digits after decimal? In this one, right? 3 digits. So multiply with 3 zeros after 1. And I told the reason for doing these things in the previous video. You can refer the previous videos of division part. So do the normal multiplication like how we done here with the decimal points. So we'll get it as 125. This one as 250. So do the multiplication in division now. 250, 125. Better write 250 table here. 250 on the 250, 252 is 500, 750, 1000, like that. Okay. Here, can I divide 1 by 250? No, it is smaller. 12? No. 125? No, still smaller. So we are done with all the digits. So now we are unable to division. So put a 0 and decimal point so that you can take a extra 0, right? Now find, is there 1250 in the table? Yes, the next part will be 1250 only. 2s are 3s are 4s are 5s are 255 is 1250. So the answer will be 0.5. And for like this division, we are not to do such type of divisions. In later upcoming videos, I will tell how to reduce it to normal digits like 5, 7. We can reduce it to single digits and we can do the normal division. Just for the time being, understand these steps. Okay. And now can we Solve this, pause the video. Okay, check it with me. 99.99 divided by 0.01. Both having same number of digits, 2 digits, right? So 2 zeros. So upper part will become, after multiplication, 9999. I am not doing multiplication part because we already learned in previous operation. So try to do it on your own. This, it will become 1. So 999 divided by 1 will give answer as 9999. Take these two as homework. We are done with addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. So what if only one question contains more than one operation? Like here 8.8 plus 2 into 5. Which one we have to do first, addition or multiplication? For this we need a concept called BODMAS. We will see this BODMAS in next video. Thank you.